Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about mastering one of TradingView's simple but powerful features, adding or removing the day separator, or what TradingView calls session breaks. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know exactly how to control those vertical lines that mark the start of each trading day, making your charts a whole lot easier to read and organize. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting comfortable with charting, you'll walk away more confident in customizing your setup. Let's dive right in. First, open up your TradingView chart where you want to adjust the session breaks. Now take your mouse and right-click anywhere directly on the chart's background, not on a specific candlestick or indicator, just on the main empty space of the chart. This is a handy little trick. Right-clicking gives you direct access to your chart's quick settings, saving you a ton of time instead of searching through menus. When the menu pops up, look for the option that says Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Don't rush this part. Sometimes there are a lot of options, but Settings is usually near the bottom or middle of that menu. Clicking here opens up the Settings window, which is basically the command center for how your chart looks and behaves. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll see a sidebar filled with different categories. We're looking for the Events section, so click on Events. Think of this section as the place where you can toggle on or off different vertical markers that appear on your chart, anything from dividends to splits and, of course, session breaks. These session breaks are the vertical lines that help you easily spot where each trading day begins and ends. Now here's the key part. Find the checkbox labeled Session Breaks. If you want to add the day separator lines to your chart, make sure this box is checked. If the lines are already there and you prefer a cleaner look, simply uncheck it. Just that simple switch. Sometimes people overlook this tiny option, but toggling it can make a world of difference. Having clear daily dividers really helps you scan for gaps, trends, or significant changes at the open and close of each day. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click OK or Apply at the bottom of the Settings window. Take a moment to glance back at your chart. You should instantly see the session breaks appear or disappear based on your selection. If nothing seems to change, double-check that you didn't accidentally right-click on an indicator or that you're in the right section of settings. It's easy to miss the checkbox if you scroll too quickly, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly add or remove session breaks, giving you much better control over how you view your market data. Remember, sometimes the small tweaks are what make your trading workflow more efficient and less cluttered. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I always love helping out. And if you want more quick, practical TradingView tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy charting.